profit and loss the most mashibdi kage nido mush profit level le kachina loss level le kachila labina. So answer question number the what we usually need to know is about the cost price and the selling price. Mush cost price the selling price pollution about it. Anyashe mush cost price lemon it is the price at which an article or an object is purchased. Mush item is purchased. The tompichi me chima jaigon na jobe gola nyowachin that will be your cost price. Mush that will be your cost price. CPC represent them. Right. Selling price lamidi that mali jaigoni gola nyoba na timpu bambe timpu tomdalu. Now that price will be the selling price. Mush and chigani biodalu the number bureau mali 200 nyoch na chi 200 mitsoma mush chi profit selling demu chi price that's increase baby tomadi. That is known as selling price represented by SP. I need two quantity the carriage mush. Now question the gazum theon lavachin selling price the cost page jinjado you will be asked to find yachi profit find bestong yachi loss percentage find bestong but gain the profit silavachin mo the profit silavachin kachmo if the selling price is greater than cost price mush logically iminati mush tachigi male 200 na nyobe bagun mush cost price is 200 right chigi male 200 na nyono kola for example that is 200 that will be your cost price. Now, Timbu Hebdalu, you are selling it at Multam 500 bija, right? You are selling at Multam 500. What does it mean now? Chegi cost price, the increase shabbe, you are selling it at 500. So, Panaluchi caps omnimen and caps of the litigation, you will call it as gain or profit. Mosh, imbe profit. So, formula the gadidum. Gain sale origin, it you will write it as selling price minus cost price. All right. The profit or gain of the question of the gachijung gavachin, you will be asked to find the profit percentage. Not profit cham to find this method. Profit percentage find this no. Cost price or selling price chindeo, you will be asked to find the percentage of the profit. So how to find the profit percentage? Profit or gain, same tuga. Profit percentage there is a formula mush carry anything. Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price number of cost price times 100% because it is in percentage. Now the chigi that profit percentage the SP minus CP divided by CP tama loss percentage loss percentage it will be CP minus SP divided by CPC wrong. Already number below same wrong. Loss percentage zero, profit percentage zero. Chegima denominator should always be a cost price. All right. And it's the formula. Profit naludi, what you need to know is that your selling price will always be greater than cost price. Even at most time, selling price is always greater than cost price. That is why you are gaining a profit. Mela. Tani binidi na minus shabduru. Selling price minus cost price so that she adds a negative monthly. All right. The loss na hibdadi. What does it mean now? Loss na lu. Chegi male ma gachu jagong le golalu golachulo through namse most cost price 1,000 na bakuni ma chimale nyoga bamdulo. Now tumbu hibdalu the missing nyomatu bani goladi. Now chegi the discount jinis lamma yanchi discount jinis yanchin time limited in gachulo silabe. You will try to sell it in 800. No, that's the banalu. Lost for you chim malin 1,000 yonu. Neither you are selling at 800. You are having lost the mush. So lost the chassis 200 give loss for silong. So lost so that you find it by cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. All right. The loss na the number bureau cost price will always be greater than selling price. All right. So time definition: if selling price is less than cost price, the seller is said to have incurred a loss. All right. Still the question gidi and loss find based method you will be asked to find the loss percentage. All right. So loss percentage find whether you have to know this formula: CP minus SP divided by CP. Profit percentage zero, loss percentage zero. Yagidi Gadi Duru de Mush. Magidi Emina. My denomination will always be cost price me. Uneven, keeping in mind. To a number of denomination should be cost price only. Now, one thing that you need to know is question Gitonga A is 30% more syllable. More than B syllable. So now, last time much percentage 30% more syllable. 30% of B logic, you direct right? 30 divided by 100 times B syllable D, but most last time A equals to C. The profit and loss nadi answer meant to go. A is 30% more than B syllable profit in there. Answer time nalu the chigi selling price comes to most syllable. What you need to know is that the formula used to direct calculation to tamu and there is one shortcut method also. We should know that selling price selling price is equals to, if it says 30% more, you have to write 130%. You have to add 100% plus 30% more the add okay of cost price cost price tele kadim chive cost price loss na cost price will be the opposition you bring the 130 to the other side. Cost price it will be 1 divided by 130% of selling price. All right. Any concept now that is the relationship but when I solve the question, you will be able to understand this. All right. So let us move with the problem solving motion. Yes, see this question. Now, how are you going to find the gain? The question is asking you to find gain by the motion. A man buys an article for Newton 27.50 and sells it for Newton 28.60. Find his gain percentage. All right. So when you see this question, this is the cost price, right? A man buys an article for Newton 27.5. That will become your cost price. Then he sells it for Newton. The first form that it will be selling price. The more selling price is Newton 28.60. Question is asking us to find gain in percentage. So how to find this? So gain in percentage formula is SP minus CP, most selling price minus cost price divided by cost price, okay, times 100%. So all right, selling price comes to 28.6 minus cost price is 27.5 divided by cost price is 27.5 times 100%. All right. Now, I'm going to hit the low. That's why gain the SP minus CP save much. Loss ki the loss key is CP minus SP is divided by CP times 100% save at email. Tatudi and a side by side in the now exam you will, there is a chance that you will be confused with that tuba. Tonka SP tonga CP tonga. CP minus SP na SP minus CP na gain. The she first solve chapter nete. You solve it tuba. The garden cherry CP minus SP chamumo. So you will get 27.5 minus 28.6 chavachin. Small minus big, whether your answer will be negative 1 point, negative 1.1. The number of bureau answer should not come in negative too. So as a negative temperature, you have to know that you have made a wrong with this formula SP minus CPD opposite in base. All right. You solve this now. 28.6 minus 27.5 divided by 27.5 times 100 hours, you will get 4%. All right, answer is 4%. Yes, Pimo. Thank you. It is 4%. Okay, so what we did here, question the lamme, a man buys an article for Newton 27.5 promotion, and that is the cost price, and sells it for Newton 28.6 low. Sale benu, so that is his selling price. So we are told to find the gain in percentage. This is a very simple question. Hope everyone understood this. If a radio is bought for nil term 490 and sold for nil term 465.5, what is the loss percentage? Koi pali nyono, this is cost price mush. Pali nyono mina radio nyo dadi, it will be cost price something mush. And sold for lumu, dadi, it will be selling price, right? And the question is asking us to find the loss percentage. So how are we going to find the loss percentage? Loss percentage is equals to CP, CP minus SP divided by CP. Okay, don't forget this. Last key number of CP is wrong. All right. So CP is given as 490 minus SP is 465.5 divided by 490 times 100. All right. So when you calculate this, you will get 5% in 490 minus 465.5 divided by 490. Okay, it is 5%. Yes. So what does it mean now? Yes, 5%. Thank you, Suran. It means that if a rate is bought for 490, 465.5, you will have a 5% loss. Loss form of 5%. All right. This is a very simple question. Mosh. Ani loss the gain question hot and p nalu. It's a very simple question. So you will surely score the marks here. Now see this question. The question is asking us to find the selling price when the cost price is given and the gain is given. Now there are two methods that you can solve this with. All right. First method using the formula the formula gain so gain percentage formula gain percentage is equals to SP minus CP divided by CP times 100%. It will take too long to go. Gain is given as 20% much equals to SP it is not given. We have to find it. Minus CP is given as 56.25 divided by 56.25 times 100. Then let's get 20 by 100 is almost 100 which is equals to SP minus 56.25 chow divided by 56.25 chow. It will take too long for you to solve like this. Answer the term, your answer will come, okay, but it will take too long. So what you need to do here is touching I love chimina. If A profit is 30% more than B is low. This is a profit mush. Profit is 30% more low. What did I say? Selling price it will be 130% of B is of cost price. Never. Similarly, any formula you have to use it here, all right? So we are told to find the selling price. Mush. Selling price is equals to gain the 20%. 20% gain more into what? You shouldn't write 20% of cost price. It will be wrong. You have to write 120%. You have to add 100% more. Okay, 100% plus 20% more. Gain. So you are told to find the SP. So 120 divided by 100 times cost price is given as 56.25. When you calculate this, you will get the answer 120 divided by 100 times 56.25 charging 67.5. No, 67 objection here. Yeah. Then we are going to move with the next question. All right. Now, in this type of question, you don't know whether it is a gain or a profit. All right. The question, there are two parts to one question already. There is two parts. All right. First part ki di gashilabde. Okay. First part ki di a book was sold for Newton 27.5. And is it a cost price or a selling price? It is a selling price mush. So selling price is given as 27.5 mush. Any time when they sold it for 27.5, profit di gamchito kungi. So percentage gain or profit same to gain is 10% below. the the condition chibi mo kadim chibi and same book the if it were sold for much SPD will term 25.75 bits on machine, then what will be is profit or loss. Profit in a loss in a that we don't know. We don't know what it is, right? So first what we need to do now, to know whether it is a profit or loss, we need to find the cost price show what cost price show. So then the profit give formula profit equals to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price show times 100 say. No. So when you do that, you need to know the value of cost price. You do the question is you know cost price much in there. The you are dealing with the same book motion. Know that the cost price and is both situation it will be same thing motion. So from here you have to find the cost price first. So we know that formula of gain, percentage gain is consumer. Another formula you don't need to use the formula. Okay, there is a 10% increase gain increase in there is a profit of 10%. So that means consumer. That's I said selling price the when there is a 10% gain, you have to do 110% gain of cost price selection. Cost price selection. Right now, selling price is given. We need to find the cost price, right? So you take this to the other side. SP is equals to 110 divided by 100 times cost price. You just take this to the other side. It will be cost price will be SP times 100 almost 100 divided by 110. Cost price you just need to reciprocal that percentage to that she be 110 divided by 100 cost price selling price so the cost price so it will be 100 divided by 110. Okay, so selling price is given as 27.5 the most times 100 divided by 110 and comes down 27.5 times 100 divided by 110. You will get cost price as 25 mega. You got the cost price as 25 mush. This is the cost price. Now use this cost price in this formula. Selling prices. Now you don't know whether it is a loss or a profit. No. How will you find out that it is a profit or a loss? Antago selling price the cost price compare payment. Cost price is less than selling price. Selling price more than that means it is obviously a profit mush. So it is a formula of profit. So profit is selling price minus cost price divided by CP times 100. So selling price is 25.75 minus 25 divided by 25 times 100% mush, which will give us 25.75 minus 25 divided by 25 times 100, which you will get 3%. All right. Check the same book the mush through 27.5 bits on watching. 27.5 bits on watching. What does it mean? Check 10% profit jump to mega. But if you sell the same book at 25.75 now, no, 2 rupees ki decrease on watching, check 3% profit jump to same. All right, it means like that. Question was asking us to find the percentage in profit or loss. The profit and loss in Gadevshichi. When we found the value of cost price, we compared it with the value of the selling price. Here we see that selling price is more than cost price. So that means it is a percentage profit or percentage in gains level. Then we calculated and found the value of profit. All right. Hope everyone understood this question. So now let us move on with the next question also. Any question a person sold a chair at a profit of 14% or more. Had he sold it for rupees 15 more, 17% would have been the gain. Find the cost price. That's the question the opposite method to be one. Ana two condition do mush. First nadi kogi 14% on indo. He sold it at 14%. But kadim chive kogi through the 15 at chabit machine for 17% increase and 3% increase in the profit. So 70% top sim. and watching cost price comes to the so we are supposed to find the cost price here. So how are we going to do that? Cost price first we have to know the selling price, but the most selling price selling price is equals to profit ki most 14%. So 14 114%, 114% of cost price, which is selling price is equals to 114 divided by 100 times CP. So SP is equals to 1.14 of CP. Now you got the selling price. Now second time had it sold it for rupees 15 more. That's the selling price. The SPP. Now you add 15 more with so much much. If you add SP plus 15 with so much, he will have gained 15% more. Gain he will get 17%. 17%. What does it mean? It means 117% of cost price. Now the selling price you got it as 1.14 of cost price plus 15 is equals to this. Anything decimal change payment which will be 1.17 times CP. All right. Now you bring the CP together, you will get 15 equals to 1.17 of CP minus 1.14 of CP, which will be equals to 15 equals to comes down 4567, so 0.03 of CP more. So you bring this 0.03 to this other side, you will get CP is equals to 15 divided by 0.03. So comes to 15 divided by 0.03. 15 divided by 0.03, you will get 500. So the cost price is rupees 500. All right. Hope you got chance to get same answer. You did like this. Were you able to get the same answer?